Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do a um, cream cheese frosting for the cinnamon rolls, and I wanted to get that done. So this is what it looks like, and that's just butter and cream cheese, and they're both softened. And I'm going to add some powdered sugar, but I'm going to add it slowly. And so I'm going to just, I think I'm going to get a little container here. Just a little bit at a time, and then kind of taste it to see what it tastes like and stuff like that before I keep putting more and more in there. And I am going to add a little bit of milk, but that's going to be close to the end. Okay, what is it? Okay, I need to plug it in, Joyce. Sorry. All right, here we go. Trying to get you away from that blender sound, blending sound. Actually, my blender is pretty nice. It doesn't have a real loud sound to it, and I like that. Now I'm going to add another fourth of a cup of powdered sugar. And what I'm doing now is just kind of incorporating the butter and the cream cheese and the powdered sugar all together. Just to add a little bit more powdered sugar. Whoa, did not mean to do. Because this is what it kind of looks like right now. Kind of has this here yellowy tint to it. Pretty good. Tastes of sour cream in it, or not sour cream, but the cream cheese in it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just rake down the sides here, and I'm going to add a little bit of milk because I don't want it real thick on that cinnamon rolls. So anyway, all right. Let's get down there and see what I'm looking at. Let's see down in there, there's powdered sugar down in there. And it's honestly, it's just your taste. If you like it really sweet and you want to add more. If you don't like it real sweet, then don't add more. I'm just going to add probably a tablespoon of milk, no more than that, because I don't want it real runny. Let's see what that does. And if you put too much milk in there, you can always put some more powdered sugar in there. So it looks like it's looking good. Let's show you what it looks like.